comes Wyatt Adams in the near lane. Got the girl on the fast, running a little pink machine in the far lane. Wyatt wins. Wyatt wins that race. Wyatt just won his race. Getting ready to race again here in a minute. It's really a mean little machine in this lane. Wyatt will have to go up to him after a while. He is bad as bone. Smoked him. Wyatt Adams in the far lane this time. He's undefeated in this class. But he's up against a 250cc machine here. A 4-stroke against his 2-stroke. See how he does on the line. Did wonderful. He is gone. Wyatt Adams smoked him. These are two of the fastest competitors in this class. Wyatt Adams in the near lane this time. The last 2 year in a row champion here at this race in the far lane. Wyatt's going to have to cut a good light and pray hard. Oh, it was really, really, really close. Wyatt barely got beat. Only 3 left in this class. Got the young lady on the pink one on this side. Wyatt Adams in the far lane. This guy here hasn't been beat yet. The winner of this race right here will go up against this one again. Wyatt Adams in the far lane. Needs to cut a good light, but she's pretty good. Wyatt Adams wins. He's in the final. Wyatt will come back and race this competitor right here for the championship. If Wyatt wins, he'll have to race one more time. Wyatt Adams in the near lane. Winner of this will be second place. Far lane got it. Wyatt takes third place. 2019 races at the Ripley County